going to talk you through how to answer questions for the text-based groups for the upcoming 2025 Coding Challenge. You will start by logging into the challenge using the username and password provided by your teacher. You will then be prompted to check your account details. If this is correct, you just need to click on Save. Please only edit this data if your teacher has asked you to do so. This is the information that will be supplied on your certificate. Next, you will either see a list of challenges, as you can see here, or one challenge that your teacher has chosen for you to take. For this example, I'm going to choose the Navigators group. Please make sure to choose your challenge carefully. Once this is selected, this cannot be changed. The final page you will see before starting the challenge is the declaration. Please read through this and tick the box before proceeding. By ticking the box below, you're agreeing to abide fully and honourably by the challenge rules and not to cheat in any regard. Once you've entered the challenge, you'll see a list of the questions, the difficulty rating, the marks awarded for each question, and whether or not you've answered it yet. If you click on the first question, either in the left-hand sidebar or in the list of questions here, the question appears. You can hide the sidebar to provide you with more space. You will see in the top right-hand corner your time remaining for the challenge. So I'm just going to talk through how to answer and submit code for the first question of the Navigators Specimen Challenge. So the task is to write a program that takes as input a person's surname, first name and their last name. Your program should then output their full name by combining the two inputs separated by a space. It is really important to read through the question, in particular the input and the output format, as this is what your code will be tested against. So in this example, we want two inputs, the first name and the surname, and the output here. So you can change your compiler to any of these languages. In this example, we're going to use Python. So we're going to say the first name is equal to input and the last name is equal to input. And then we're going to print first name, last name. Okay. Now, before you proceed with submitting your code, you can test the code by putting in some custom input in this box here. And you can click on Run Code, and this will run the solution. And then if you click on Show Output, it will show your custom input and output. So you can test your code before actually submitting it. When you're happy with it, you can then submit the code. And your code will be checked against the test data for the question. If it is waiting for a little bit longer than you would, there we go, full score. If it is waiting for a little bit longer, you can just click on Show Results to see your results. So Show Results, you can see that it's passed test 1, test 2 and test 3, and that's the score that I've been given. So if we go back now and we go to the next question, you will see that the marks awarded for the question are next to it, and you'll also see the flower which says that you've answered the question. You can skip through the questions by clicking on Next. And when you finish the challenge, if you click on End, you will see a list of all the questions that you've answered and not answered, and click on Yes, End Competition. You will see a message that says thank you for taking part and good luck in taking part in the 2025 Coding Challenge.